Alright, right. Big day happening today. I'm up the woods, the roundhouse is getting pulled down, ready for the rebuild happening. So I'm gonna set the camera up and just give you a little watch of us pulling this down, and I'll get the new one started. So bear with us, I'll see you shortly. Right, so that's it. We've managed to get the parachute support poles off. Now it's just a case of getting the fence down and putting some new stakes in. I'll bring these back. Right, so you can see there, I've got them all staked round, ready to roll. The wood store's getting moved over to the other side. Oh, the right the way around. Smoky fire on to keep the midges away. And we've got all the parachute support poles and everything else just down here. So all them are ready to go back on. I've got my mate Jordi here giving us a hand. Looks totally different with the pull down. Right, we best get cracking. Alright, so we've just had a bit bait and that, had a quick brew. Time to get cracking again. So we've got all the stakes in ready to go. We've started getting all the wattle fencing from just down the other bit of the woodland there and bringing it up. We're just about to get cracking with that. See how far we get with the wattle fencing. So see you shortly. Right, so we've absolutely been cracking on. I had to stick my phone and my little gimbal on charge. So we're back now. As you can see, the walls have took a massive jump. We've stopped to get a quick brew on the go. Lived off tea today. Right. So we're just going to pop round now and put the finishing sort of layer on the top just to help tie everything in. Then once we've done that, it'll be a quick whip round with a chainsaw to chop the tops off, and then if we can be bothered, we'll start putting up the parachute poles. But I can't believe we've done this much so far. Again, thanks again, mate, much appreciated. Right, so I've just been round there and trimmed out all the mesh from all the outside and the inside, make it all nice and neat. We've finished the top layer, so I think it's pretty much time now to go around and reinforce all these poles, give all these a little extra whack with the axe, and then go around and level them all off. Gotta stop for a quick brew first. Right, see there, I've just whipped round there with a chainsaw, took off all the top bits. Starting out like a roundhouse again. I can't believe one day dismantle. Well, a bit further away so you can see it all. Wall's finished. It's a little bit tidying up to do. Then we might put 1 or 2 support poles up. But if I do, I'll bring you back. But I'll be back up again tomorrow to finish it off either way. So I'll bring you back along for the journey. Alright, back up the woods now, day 2. We're just finished off cutting the tops of the poles going round. Yesterday I was too done in, so we just cleaned up, packed up and left. But we're back up now, making sure the edges are nice and clear, and we're going to start putting the parachute support poles back up. I've got a brew on the way, and I've got to start the day with a brew, don't you? Right, so I'll set this up and we're gonna get cracking. Alright, you probably see behind us there what a struggle that was, getting them 3 main poles, like the starting poles in. Each one of them's dug into the ground. Absolutely sweating buckets. It's warm today, 20 odd degrees, but so humid. So we've got them 3 lashed up. Now we're gonna have a quick brew break and crack on with the rest. Alright, it's finally taken shape. We managed to get all the parachute support poles in, and check it out. What a difference. We just got a little tidying up to go around, cut off a couple of the edges of the posts just to neaten them up and tie some of them down. Oh, what a difference. Alright, I'm back. We've managed to get everything sorted. Check this out. I'll flip you around and give you a little walk through. Right, so this is it. Step inside. Ventilation works spot on. Got to have a brew station. Okay, so that's it. Rebuild's done. It's red hot in here, like. Sausages on the gun. Brew. Lovely. What a belter. Honestly, Johnny, mate, I can't thank you enough, mate. Much appreciated. What a belter. Over the moon.